Subscribe to my channel Guston Tech and press the bell icon to get regular notify from me.
Hi friends, today I am going to tell about Vivo 11 Pro, which has many interesting feature like in-display fingerprint scanner and Full HD plus Super AMOLED screen. Rear camera is AI dual rear. The V11 Pro features a 12 megapixel, 24 million photosensitive units, plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera combination. The main camera sports a large f1.8 aperture and 1.28 μm pixels. 19.5:9 aspect ratio halo full view trademark display. This Super AMOLED display delivers a vibrant, ultra-vivid experience. At the back, V11 Pro's 3D cover features a fresh, unconventional fusion color, exuding style, quality, and class, making V11 Pro perfectly designed. 5 megapixel AI camera. The front camera has a massive 25 megapixel processor and operating system. V11 Pro is octa-core acceleration chip from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 660 AIE. The V11 Pro has 6 GB of RAM, and 64 GB ROM. Latest FunTouch OS 4.5, based on Android 8.1. There are two color available. It is the best phone in the price segment. Problems are why it does not support 4K recording, only 1080p, and building quality is made up by plastic. There is no Type-C, only micro USB.